Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we are going to solve one complex system of equations where z1 z2 are complex numbers. z1 plus z2 equal to 5, z1 cube plus z2 cube equal to 20 plus 15i. Then we have to evaluate the expression z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4. So let's begin this video by writing equation numbers. So 1 and 2. Then I will consider our equation number 1 and I will consider cubing both sides. So z1 plus z2 equal to 5. Now I will take cube both sides. So I can write whole cube, a plus b whole cube formula. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. Right hand side it is 5 cube, so I will write 125. Now you can see equation 1 and equation 2. z1 plus z2 is 5. z1 cube plus z2 cube is 20 plus 15i. So here I will be putting 20 plus 15i and here I will be putting 5. Let's put, so 20 plus 15i plus 3 times z1 z2 times 5 equal to 125. Now I will take 20 plus 15i to the RHS. So I can write 15 z1 z2 equal to 125 minus 20 minus 15i. 125 minus 20, so it will become 105 minus 15i, and left hand side is 15 z1 times z2. Now this equation is divisible by 15. So I will divide both sides by 15. I will write z1 times z2 equal to 105 divided by 15. So it will be 7 minus I. So product of z1 and z2 we have calculated. It is 7 minus I. We will use this little later. Now let's consider the equation z1 plus z2 equal to 5 once again. As our requirement is power 4. So I will consider a squaring of this equation. Then we will be having z1 square plus z2 square. Let's take a square first. So z1 square plus z2 square plus twice z1 z2, and right hand side I will write 25. Now z1 times z2, which we calculated in previous slide, 7 minus I. So straight away I can put over there in the place of z1 z2 7 minus I. So this will become z1 square plus z2 square plus 2 times 7 minus I equal to 25. So from here we can write z1 square plus z2 square equal to 25 minus 2 times 7 minus I. Now I will simplify my RHS. 25 minus 14 plus 2i. Then I will write 25 minus 14. It would be 11 plus 2i. So z1 square plus z2 square, it is equal to 11 plus 2i. So far we have calculated two equations. This one is first, z1 z2 equal to 7 minus I, and here it is second, z1 square plus z2 square is equal to 11 plus 2i. Let's consider squaring once again. So I will write 11 plus 2i, and it is the value of z1 square plus z2 square. Now I will consider squaring once again. Square, square. Knowing that z1, z2 is equal to 7 minus I. Okay, a plus b whole square again. So I will write z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4 plus 2 z1 square z2 square. Right hand side. Again I will apply a plus b whole square formula. So 11 square 121 plus 2i whole square 4i square plus 2ab, so 44i. Now we know that in complex numbers I is equal to square root of -1, or I square we can put if required then -1. So here it is required I square, so there I will write -1. So this equation will become z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4 plus z1 z2 is 7 minus I. So here I will put by writing over there 7 minus I whole square, and right hand side it would be 121 minus 4 because I square is -1 plus 44I. Now let's simplify RHS and LHS. We will apply a minus b whole square formula. So let's apply. I will write z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4 plus 2 times. Here I can write 49 plus I square minus 14I. Expansion is over. Right hand side 121 minus 4 117 plus 44I. Now I will take this term to the RHS. But before that we can write here I square is equal to -1. So I will write z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4 plus 2 times 49 minus 1 minus 14I equal to 117 plus 44I. Now I will write straight away z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4. It would be equal to 117 plus 44I. Then I will write minus 2 times in bracket 48 minus 14I. Let's expand. So I will write 117 plus 44I. Then it would be minus 96 plus 28I. Now 117 minus 96. This is 21. 44 plus 28. This is 72. So I will be writing here z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4 equal to 117 minus 96, 21, and 44 plus 28, 72 I. So this is our answer for z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4. Let us calculate its modulus also. So z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4. This modulus will be equal to square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. So I will write 21 square plus 72 square. Now 21 square is 441 and 72 square is 5184. Now if you will add both the numbers, it would be 5625. Once I will take a square root of that, so we can write this is equal to 75 square. Now square and square root we can cancel. So our ultimate answer for modulus value z1 power 4 plus z2 power 4 This value will be equal to 75. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself.